Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Welcome to episode 6 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. Today's razor will be the Edwin Jagger DE89, also called the DE89BL because it comes with one blade, a feather blade, like that. Let's take a look at the razor. It's gleaming chrome on the head, as you can easily see. Hope it doesn't hurt your eyes too bad. And then it slopes downward with a smooth band here that's tapered to a top collar right here. Smooth band that reads Edwin Jagger. It's laser inscribed right there. And then the smooth banding all the way down, just a smooth finish all the way down to another collar that protrudes a bit. And this one reads Sheffield, England, right here at the bottom. And then the bottom of the handle is just a smooth polished chrome as well. The razor is actually Zamac. You may ask, what is Zamac? Zamac is an acronym for a zinc alloy that consists of zinc, aluminum, magnesium, and copper. You may also know that Hot Wheels and other die-cast toy cars are also made from Zamac. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 2.4 ounces or 68 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 3.8 inches or 97 millimeters. So it's just a decent size, just barely goes down into the palm. You can spin it like so. Some people say it's a bit slippery. Let's find out. It's a 3-piece razor. Remove the handle, separate the top cap and the safety bar, and let's drop in said feather blade right there. Right over the post and the 2 pins. Drop that in. Reinstall the safety bar. Reinstall the handle. Lock it down. Blade reveal, perfectly even on both sides. And I've smudged it up now with my fingertips, so sorry about that. It's gonna be a quick shave today. I've got my Shave Nation bowl at the ready with some Colonel Conk soap. I do have a brand new brush. We got a ton of brushes in, and this one struck my eye, really caught me. It's a zebra type finish. Check that out, it's beautiful, and it's a good sized brush. It's like 3/4 of my hand right there. So it's a good sized brush. And it's a finest badger knot, so this thing should be a lather monster, should work pretty good. Let's try it out. I will warm this with some hot water, just bloom it a little bit. You should let that water bloom in there for a few minutes, but we're just gonna set it down, wet the brush. For the sake of the vid, we wanna keep things moving. Just soak the brush under hot water. Give it a few shakes, shake out the bulk of the water. Right in here, wet those tips. Just saturate those tips with the Colonel Conk soap. I actually microwaved this soap into this bowl a little while ago. So you can see lather's coming up around the sides, but we're just gonna face lather from here. Well, actually, yeah, we will. We'll pick up that lather. We'll just face lather. I'm going to warm my face. We'll get right to the shave. Everyday shave, 1 to 2 day beard growth. As you can see, let's lather up. It's a big handle, easy to hold on to. Start on the right, work your way over to the left. Not much of a chance you're gonna get shaving cream on your fingers or soap with this big handle. Just drive it right into the beard. It's a nice big knot. I think it's a 24 millimeter knot on the brush. Drive it in. Little figure 8, smooth everything out. Set that brush down. Swipe the neck. Clear the runway so we can see our sideburns. Here we go, wet fingers, not soapy, but wet. Start on the right side. Oh, let's temper it under the water. I'll use hot water this time. Here we go. Nice efficient shaver. Got some audible feedback. Let's rinse that. Right down the neckline. You don't want to go too long without rinsing the razor when you're shaving because you want that blade to be exposed and not bogged down by all the shaving cream. Let's rinse that. Okay, left side, find that angle, work your way down. No problem removing this. One side filled, flip it over. Excellent. Okay, let's rinse it out. Quick face rinse. Grab your brush, relather. Just a light coating this time. And you will get the odor from the Badger brush the first couple, 2, 3, 4 shaves, but that will dissipate after a while. Figure 8, set it down. Swipe, clear the runways again. All right, still with the wet fingers, right across the grain. Backhand. Cleft. Rinse off. Against the grain on the neck. Beautiful. Let's rinse that. Quick face rinse. Relather, cheeks only. Let's get them baby smooth. Grab the razor. Now you want to skim. Not scrape, but skim. Stretch the skin a little bit at the bottom. Work your way up. This gets the cheeks perfectly smooth. Like a baby's bottom. Same thing on this side. Awesome. Okay, let's rinse that. A final face rinse with warm and then cold water. Take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap, just glide that all around the areas you've shaved. Seal off any small nicks or weepers if you got any, which we did not. Tighten the skin. We'll give you some feedback on your shave as well. If you went too close, you'll get a little stinging. Cap it off, set it down. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds, then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. If I got the Parasso Aloe and Vitamin E, let's put on that balm. Right there. Massage that together right into the skin. It's Aloe and Vitamin E. Will give you protection throughout the day. Also feels nice and cool going on. Excellent finish to the shave. Just let that air dry. You can take your cloth and accelerate the process. This feels really good too. Little barber trick right here. Feels great. Let's take a final look at the razor, the Edwin Jagger DE89. Gleaming chrome. If you like shiny things, motorcycle tailpipes, things like that, you'll love this razor. Geofatboy's aggression rating on this razor with the feather blade, I'm going to give it a strong 5 to 6. If you use a different blade, you know, Astra, Derby, Shark, whatever, it's going to be 5 or a tad less than 5. But with the feather blade, you could see I had a couple days, 1 to 2 days beard growth, and this razor removed it easily. No problem, no struggle. Cheeks, chin, neck, everything baby smooth. So really a great everyday, every other day shaving razor. Nice to look at and fun to shave with as well. As I said before, With a new brush, a Badger brush, it's normal that you might have a scent or an odor for the first 2 or 3 or 4 shaves, and after that it will just take on the scent of the shaving cream you're using or the shaving soap, so that will dissipate. You may also lose a couple hairs. They may come off on your face, in the sink, wherever, in the cream, you'll see them, but after a while that will dissipate too, and it's normal to lose 1 or 2 hairs once in a while, so don't flip out about that if that happens as well. So if you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says show more, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends my 465, I think, videos right now. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.